I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enrolling and locking down your identity so Apple trusts your app. Create an Apple ID, enable two-factor authentication, and join the Apple Developer Program. This gives you certificates and access to App Store Connect. Once done, add tax and banking details for payouts and register a bundle ID for your app. Make placeholder metadata and a 1024 x 1024 icon now. You'll replace them later. These first steps prevent holdups during submission, so complete them before building further. Now you build and sign the app so Apple can run and review it. In Xcode, set the app's bundle ID, create provisioning profiles, and export a signed archive. Upload the build to App Store Connect, then invite testers via test flight, test on real devices, and iterate until crashes are gone. Make sure privacy permissions and required APIs like Sign In with Apple are correctly implemented and reduce size and launch time. Doing this thoroughly speeds approval and avoids rejections for technical issues. Finish the submission by completing the App Store listing and choosing your release type. Upload screenshots for relevant devices, write a clear description, set categories and age rating, then submit the build for review. Once submitted, monitor the review status and respond promptly to any reviewer notes. Be explicit about how you fixed issues. If rejected, identify the exact guideline violation, address it, and include a concise explanation when resubmitting. One key tip: check crash logs and console output first when troubleshooting rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.